What's going on? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. Dodge Chargers, you already know what this is. I mean, nowadays they are everywhere, but this is not a normal Dodge Charger. Scat time. I'm gonna introduce it to my buddy. Gonna get this backstory behind this particular Charger, and we just gonna go from there. Check it out. All right, everybody, I'm gonna introduce to my guy Noah. This is his personal car. This is his Dodge Charger. Even though, again, we know it's a Scat Pack, but Noah, hey man, what got you into liking mopars, especially Dodge Charger?
Everything, the looks, the speed, what they're capable of. I mean, they're just fun vehicles to play with. You gotta love mopars, and especially Chargers specifically. I love Chargers and Challengers, but these four doors just hit a little different.
Hey man, I know these ain't the stock wheels, obviously, but these are some nice looking wheels. Can you tell me more about that?
Yeah, so we just got these actually probably a week ago put on. These are some candy apple red Asante black rims.
It looks sweet, man. It complements the the red and blue theme that you got going on. Even your decal, your banner.
Yes sir, I had to make it all go together, and much more to come. Yeah, that candy apple red definitely hits a lot different on that blue.
It do, man, and I'm digging it. You gotta have a stereo system, especially these 212s back here. I know you bumping some good music back here.
Yes sir, you can't go wrong with the 12-inch kickers running about 2,000 watts amp on it. Can't go wrong with it, dude. Love it. Has the trunk thumping every single time.
Oh, I bet this thing probably be flexing right now. All right, look like, you know, the 6.4 Hemi V8. You already know that SRT power.
Yes sir.
I'm assuming it's pretty much stock, isn't it?
Pretty much. I mean, as of right now, we got a little oil catch can going on, straight piped with some carbon exhaust 5-inch tips. We got some lighting going on here in the engine bay, some carbon fiber pieces, you know, just to make it pop that much more. A lot more to come again with this. I mean, whole engine bay at some point is going to be completely custom designed. Got headlights on the way, more lighting, real lights, all that fun stuff.
Absolutely, man. Keep doing your thing. See that you add some carbon fiber trim pieces on here. You know, they got the red and black theme going on. Other than you got the stock seat seal. They comfortable. Very comfortable.
Heated, vented, can't go wrong with that. Red's my favorite color, so that red had to be included in the blue. And see, I got the little red carbon fiber going on the inside, and then I got all the black going around the outside.
And it's nice, man, how you set it up.
Yes, sir.
Hey, man, Noah, I appreciate you giving me a ride in your Dodge Charger Scat Pack today. Hey, appreciate it, man. It's a beautiful day. Right now you're cruising along in comfort mode. I already know it's got the SRT performance pages and all that. We already know it's got the different drive modes and stuff like that, just like any other modern car nowadays. But like what you're doing right now, you're pretty much driving in comfort mode, and it gets the job done. So
I've done everything I need, and it's still got the little crackles and pops when I'm downshifting if I like. So
it's all good, man.
Everything.
It's all good. It worked out just fine. Well, that was fun riding in the Charger. But you know what? I'm gonna continue to keep this content going. All right, everybody, that's pretty much it. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.